Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check OS version and free storage, and sign into Indus so your purchases and installs sync. Once signed in, make sure permissions for storage and network are enabled. This avoids failed downloads. Next, open the Indus App Store and scan the home categories to locate the app type you need. Don't pause, tap search if you have a name. This step gets you directly into the store environment, ready to pick an app. You now select and configure the app. Use filters for ratings, size, and last update to narrow choices, because small apps often install faster. Once you find an app, open its page and read 1 or 2 recent reviews to verify stability and legitimacy. Then inspect required permissions, deny anything unrelated to core functionality. Tap Install and watch the download. Once done, launch the app and go into its settings to set notifications, offline data, and account links so it behaves as you expect. You finish by completing onboarding and linking any necessary accounts so the app syncs correctly. Once done, check for updates in Indus and enable auto-updates if you want continuous patches and new features. If something goes wrong, say the install stalls, first clear the Indus cache, free about 100 to 200 MB of storage, and retry. Make sure your network is stable. If that still fails, reboot the device, then attempt install again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.